Thank you for joining me today. I'm going to show everyone how to make multiple instances of their MetaTrader terminals very easily using a simple copy and paste on their hard drive. All right, let's get right into this here. If you're on your virtual private server, your VPS, you want to go to the Windows Explorer, right? Let's open this up here. You want to go into basically this PC. You want to click on the C drive, right? Wherever the main files are in the Windows drive, right? You're going to go on Program Files. Not that one, the other one. The one that says Program Files, right? And then what you're going to do is you're going to see, like, for instance, whatever the name of your broker is, right? If it's IC Markets, it might say exactly that, IC Markets. I'm using Forex.com US version, right? So what you would do is simply do this. As you can see, I have 6 instances here. I have the first base one, then I have 5 more, all copied. All I did was simply right click on a folder. I would copy, or I would basically do this, just highlight the folder and go Control C, then go Control V. Then I would rename the file, right? I would just rename the file and put, instead of the word copy that you'll see at the end, put a parentheses put in parentheses 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for my instances, right? Then what you got to do though is, after you're done with that, is you open up the folder, right? You'll see where the terminal 64 is. That's the application. The icon, you can go ahead and load that as well after you created a shortcut on your desktop. But what I do is you got to link it up to this terminal 64, and I'll show you where to do that, right? All you're going to do is basically go to your the home page of your VPS, the desktop of your VPS, right click New, Shortcut, and then you're going to browse to the this PC, C drive again, go to Program Files, go to the folder that you created, go down to Terminal 64 there, click OK, and then click Next, right? Then you'll have a shortcut created. Now you're going to name it, whatever you want to name it, and then click Finish. That's all you need to do to create a shortcut to a terminal, right? After you're done with that, then you're going to create, like I create templates and things like that, and what the purpose of creating multiple terminals, even if it's on the same account, as you can see here, I have this account here loaded with, about, how many do I have running right now? I got 1, 2, 3, 4. I have about 4 or 5 different expert advisors running right now on this. As you can see, I have a lot of charts open, right? So what I'm going to try to do here is use another terminal when I start adding more experts. Like, I'm going to do that right now, right? As you can see, I have this other terminal window open here that I haven't had any experts loaded on here yet. It's using the same exact account, so we're pulling from the same exact equity and balance. I haven't used Blazing Knight Scalper yet, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on the M5 time frame. I'm going to load it on Euro USD, and I'm going to go ahead and just drag it on there, and I'm going to make sure that the algo trading is enabled here, and then I'm going to just reset the settings. And what's going to happen is, what this expert does is a multi-symbol expert, and it's going to trade these symbols, 1, 2, 3, 6 different symbols. It's going to trade, and only at night. So let's go ahead and click OK. It's actually going to preload all the symbols that we have on here. It's actually going to trade only at night, and we'll add that to the mix of experts that we have. Okay, everyone. Right now we're in a drawdown of just $12 on a $742 account. We closed a couple positions of today. This was actually from the beginning of the month. Actually, this is $95 over the past couple months, it looks like. But anyway, let's go ahead and close this video out. Hope this video helps you understand how to create a new terminal to make it a lot easier to run multiple expert advisors. And I would advise you to open up 2, 3, or 4 different terminals after you've loaded maybe 6 or 7 experts. Happy trading, everyone.